Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss the second internal test paper of NAD. So here it was a 20 marks MCQs problem test paper. So here you can see 20 questions are given. So let's start with the first multiple choice question. So the question here is, which of the following interpolation technique is used to find the value of a function at points lying outside the known data points? So answer A is Newton forward interpolation, B is Newton backward interpolation, C is Newton divided direct difference interpolation, and D is Lagrange interpolation. So we know that Newton divided difference interpolation is used to find the value of the function at point lying outside the data point. So the correct answer is C. If you have understood the concept well, then you can answer all the questions. So which of the following is not a disadvantage of Newton forward interpolation? So what is not the disadvantage of Newton forward interpolation? So here first is, it cannot be used for large values of n. It requires equally spaced data points. C, it is sensitive to errors in the data points, and D is, it is computationally intensive. So the correct answer is D, it is computationally intensive. Now the third one is, which of the following interpolation technique is used to find the values of function at different lying before the known data points? So first option is Newton forward interpolation, second option is Newton backward interpolation, third option is Newton divided difference interpolation, and D is Lagrange interpolation. So here the correct answer is Newton backward interpolation. Now in fourth question, it is given that what is the following interpolation technique use a polynomial of degree n minus 1 to interpolate n data points? So the given options are, first is Newton forward interpolation, second is Newton backward interpolation, third is Newton dividend difference interpolation, and fourth is Lagrange interpolation. So the correct answer is Lagrange interpolation. Now in fifth question, it is given that which of the following is not a disadvantage of Newton backward interpolation? So similarly the correct answer here is, it cannot be used for large values of n. So Newton backward interpolation cannot be used for a large value of n, and it is not a disadvantage of Newton backward interpolation. Now in sixth question, it is given that which of the following interpolation technique is used to find the values of a function at points lying between the known data points? So the options are A, Newton forward interpolation, B is Newton backward interpolation, C is Newton divided difference interpolation, and D is Lagrange interpolation. So the correct answer is Lagrange interpolation. Now seventh one is, which of the following is the correct formula for Newton divided difference? So here following formulas are given, and the correct formula is A. Fx is equals to fx0 plus fx0 into x1 plus fx0 x1 into x2 parenthesis x minus x1 plus dot dot dot. Now for eighth question, in eighth question, which of the following is the correct value for the first divided difference in Newton dividend difference interpolation? So the questions are the options are fxi is equals to fxi, fxi is equals to fxi plus 1 minus fxi, fxi is equals to fxi plus 1 minus fxi divided by xi plus 1 minus xi, and d is equals to fxi is equals to fxi minus f xi minus 1 divided by xi minus xi minus 1. So the correct answer is D. Now what is the basic difference between Newton's forward and backward interpolation method? So the basic difference between Newton forward and backward interpolation is option A. Newton forward interpolation uses forward difference, while backward interpolation uses backward difference. While in other options different things are given here, like in Newton backward interpolation use backward difference, which is not true. Both Newton uses same formula for interpolation, which is neither true. Now in 10th question, in Newton's divided difference formula, what is the purpose of using high order difference? So why do we use high order difference? Because we use high order difference to increase the accuracy of the interpolation. So this is the correct answer of 10th question. Now, which of the following interpolation method is not based on polynomial approximation? So options are Newton's forward interpolation, second is Newton backward interpolation, third is Lagrange interpolation, and fourth is dividend difference interpolation. So the correct answer is dividend difference interpolation, which is not based on polynomial approximation. Now, what is the difference between Newton's dividend difference and Lagrange interpolation? So the correct answer is C. And why C? Because Newton's divided difference interpolation uses divided difference, whereas Lagrange interpolation uses polynomial interpolation. Now, in a 13th question, it is given that which of the following interpolation method is more suitable for unevenly spaced data point. So, if we have uneven spaced data points are given, then it is best to use Lagrange interpolation, which is option D. Now, in question number 14, it is given that which of the following method is known as the method of finite difference. So, the correct answer is divided difference interpolation. It is the correct answer of question number 14. Now, in question number 15, what is the order of the polynomial used in Newton's forward interpolation? So, the order of the polynomial used in Newton's forward interpolation is n minus 1, which is in B. So, B is the correct answer. So, in question number 16, which of the following interpolation methods uses the concept of interpolation error? So, Lagrange interpolation uses the concept of interpolation error. The C is the correct answer. Now, in question number 17, which of the following interpolation method can be used to interpolate functions with complex values? So, if complex values are given in an interpolate function, then it is best to use Lagrange interpolation. So, correct answer is D. Now, in question number 18, it is given that what is the drawback of using higher order difference in Newton's divided difference interpolation? So, options are A, higher computational complexity, B is decreased accuracy, C is higher degree of polynomial approximation, and D is none of the above. So, the correct answer is A, higher computational complexity. Now, 19th question is what is the main difference between Newton's formulas and Gaussian quadrature formulas for numerical integration? So, the correct answer is Newton-Cotes formula use equidistance point, whereas Gaussian's quadrature formula use non-equidistance point. Now, the last question is which of the following is an example of Newton's formulas for numerical integration? So, which of the following is an example of Newton's formula for numerical integration? So, options are Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3/8 rule, C is trapezoidal rule, and D is both A and C. So, the correct answer is both A and C because Simpson 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule both can be used as an example of Newton's formula for numerical integration. So, here we have completed all the 12 questions, MCQs questions. So, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.